How do you check your Amazon gift card balance without redeeming it? The only way to check it without redeeming it is to contact support. And so I'll leave an affiliate link in the description, which will take you directly to Amazon Chat. You can chat with customer service, or you can follow along here. We're going to click on your name up here, go to account. Inside of here, we're going to go to customer service. So we're going to find the customer service page, and then we don't need any help with any of these items. So we can scroll down a little bit and say help with something else. Now there's a few things that it can ask us here. We could say payment charges or gift cards. That's relatable to gift cards, right? Now it's okay if some of these don't really line up. I'm going to say problem with a gift card, even though I don't have a problem, because as we get to the next step, you'll be able to see that we have some more choices around gift card. So one of the things maybe we want to do is just click on redeem a gift card. Like I said, it's kind of a weird way to get to the chat support, but you can click the link in the description to go directly there. Once you kind of get far enough in, you'll see that their options maybe don't work for you, and they give you a button that says I need more help. And so when you click on I need more help, that's when we get somewhere where we can actually start chatting. So we click start chatting now, and that's when this chat window pops up. Eventually, we're going to get customer service to come in here, and then we could just basically say, I want to check a gift card balance. The chat will continue on, but eventually you're going to actually be able to get to someone. They're going to say, do you want to connect with someone or not? And you can actually connect with them. The automated chat here says you can go somewhere to check your gift card balance. That's true for any gift cards that you've redeemed already that are on your account. So there is a balance that you can check for that. But if you're holding a gift card right now and you're not sure how much is on it, you're going to say, no, I need more help. That's when eventually the chat is going to say, we can't really help you. What do you want to do? And so the trick here is just to keep saying, I need more help, until the automated chat is sort of out of things to give you. And so here we go. We can chat with an associate now. Now, I'm not going to waste someone's time. I don't have a gift card with me, but if you get to this point, you can chat with an associate, and then they're going to be able to tell you the balance on the gift card that you're holding and not just the balance on your account. So make sure that you're distinguishing. They're two different things. So you don't want to redeem that gift card. That's fine. You don't want to put it on an account right yet. That's okay. You can chat with an associate and they can give you the balance on that card. Once again, to get to the chat window in one click, there's an affiliate link in the description and top comment. That is how you can check an Amazon gift card balance without redeeming it.